Hello again, everybody. Drew Johnson here, East Region Grain Origination Manager with Agtegra with the weekly market update. Corn futures turned higher last week post the WASDE report that was released on Friday. December corn futures traded up to 431 but failed to fill the gap at 433, which was created on July 7th. The USDA WASDE report was overall bearish, with USDA increasing corn planted acres by 1.4 million and also increasing U.S. corn production by 72 million bushels. Values remain mostly under pressure this week due to hedge selling, as harvest is starting to gain traction in the eastern corn belt due to dryness. Corn is trying to hold support right around 4.25, and if that fails, the next support line would be 420. On the soybean side of things, November soybeans traded higher post the WASDE report despite a somewhat bearish report. This was in part due to some opportunistic buying due to concerns over production in the eastern corn belt, and also a press release released on Friday that U.S. trade and Chinese trade representatives were going to meet in Spain over the weekend. So far this week, November futures have traded to 1052, but really failed to push above that to try to get to the old highs of 1060, and have now fallen back and trying to hold support at 1040. If the futures market closes below 1040 on the week, we might be going back to the range we were trading prior to the WASDE report. On the wheat side of things, wheat markets continue a sideways trade pattern, with Kansas City winter wheat December futures trading between 501 and 520, and Minneapolis December futures trading between 564 and 580. Stats Canada increased their production estimate on wheat to 36.6 million metric tons, or up 1.1 million metric tons. Overall, we're seeing decent carries in these markets into the deferred months and into the new crop time frame for 2026. We do have some marketing tools that allow some opportunity for $4 new crop 26 cash corn and for $10 new crop 26 cash soybeans. For any information on those programs, please contact your grain marketing specialist, because we are here to help. That's what we do.